In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Java in Windows in 2026. So let's get started. To begin, simply go to your web browser, and I will have links in the description if you need them. But here, go to your search bar and search up JDK 25, like this. Now enter, you'll find a website called oracle.com, click on Java Downloads here, and this will bring you to this website. From there, go on accept all, and here what you want to do is scroll down, you'll find JDK 25, make sure to select it, then go to Windows, and here you want to get yourself the x64 installer. So to get this, click this link here to download and install Java. So in this case, we will click the link, and this will go ahead and download Java to our computer, but we still need to go ahead and execute the file. So what you have to do here is wait for it to finish up, like so, and once it's here, you can close or minimize your web browser. Well, I close mine here, then what you want to do is go to your File Explorer and access your Downloads folder. Here you're going to find JK25 here. What you want to do is click on the file, you want to double click on the file, and this will show up with this. Now just go on Yes, and this is going to start up the Java install process. So here, go on Next, then go on Next again, and here you have to wait for everything to download correctly, and yeah, it goes quite quick. There you go, it is finished, and what you want to do here is just go on Close, and there you go. So now if you want to test if this works, you can go to your web browser again and get yourself a Java file. Now there's plenty of Java files, but I'm just going to go on Iris Shaders here and just quickly do this real quick. So I'll just go on this website and get this file to show you what to expect. So if we do this here, you're going to notice that once we're going to have this file, we'll be able to actually go ahead and use the file. So here's the file, the Iris installer, and we go back to our downloads folder here. You should see that you have a Java icon for your Java files. If you don't have this, just restart your computer and it will work. But just double click something like this, and if your Java program works, you know that you have Java. So yeah, it is that easy to download and install Java in 2026. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Bye!